This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Attach a clip-on macro lens or switch to your phone's macro mode and mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface. Once done, enable Pro Mode and lock focus manually so the camera won't hunt when you move. Make sure ISO is low, 100 to 200, and expose for highlights to preserve detail. Finally, use a timer or remote shutter to prevent blur. This establishes a stable baseline for every close-up you capture. Now refine focus and lighting. Inch the phone forward or back to find the sharp, sweet spot. Move the camera, not the subject, because tiny shifts change depth of field dramatically. Diffuse harsh light with white paper or a small diffuser, and add a reflector or weak flash fill to lift shadows. Shoot RAW and bracket exposures if highlights or shadows are tricky. Use focus peaking or manual fine-tune with tap to focus. Once locked, take multiple frames for the finish by reviewing shots on a larger screen and selecting the sharpest frame. Import RAW into a mobile editor and adjust exposure, clarity, and targeted sharpening while applying gentle noise reduction to protect detail. Crop only when necessary to preserve resolution and export at the highest quality. If your images appear soft, troubleshooting, increase light, back away a fraction to regain depth of field, or switch to a dedicated extension macro lens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.